As an executor selling real estate from an estate, you have important responsibilities and can be under a lot of pressure. This video outlines key steps to help navigate this process effectively. Step 1, establish authority. Obtain legal documentation proving your role as an executor or trustee. This allows you to act on behalf of the estate. Step 2, valuation. Get a professional appraisal and market analysis. Accurate valuation is crucial for fair pricing and tax purposes. Step 3, prepare and list. Secure and maintain the property, make necessary repairs, and hire a probate or executorship real estate specialist. Set a market reflective price and list the property. Step 4, handle offers and close. Review and negotiate offers, seek court approval if required, and work with escrow to finalize the sale. Distribute proceeds accordingly to the will or trust. Step 5, documentation. Maintain detailed records of all decisions and transactions. Keep beneficiaries informed throughout the process. Your communication and documentation will be critical. Remember, selling estate properties requires diligence and transparency. Don't hesitate to seek professional help from real estate agents, attorneys, and accountants who are experienced in these types of sales. Remember, this is a very simplified version of the process. If you need more detailed information and the proper guidance to succeed in this complicated process, don't hesitate to reach out to me with any questions. I'm Adam Buzmaha with the Walker team, and I'm here to educate and navigate, never speculate and fabricate. Thank you.